In this video I will show you how to go from Minecraft looking like this to Minecraft looking like this. This should be a very quick and easy process, so let's get right into it. First thing first, head over to this website and download the Universal Jar. Open it and choose the version of Minecraft you want to play, and make sure to choose both Iris and Fabric. Now that this is installed, we'll need to grab a couple mods from Modrint. The process of download is the very same for all of these, so you just have to click the links in the description. Make sure to download Fabric API, Indium, and Distant Horizons. If you want to play this with shaders, you'll need to head over to this website, which is also linked in the description. You need to find a green button labeled Code, click on it, and download the zip file. Now that we have downloaded all the necessary mods, just open the Minecraft launcher, and immediately upon opening you should see your Fabric version listed as an option. Head over to installations and find the version of Fabric you just downloaded. You should see an option to open its folder, and do just that. Now that we have opened the folder, we need to look for two smaller folders. Firstly, open the mods folder. It should already have two mods inside of it. Now find the mods you downloaded previously and just copy and paste them into the mods folder. It should look something like this. If you wanted to play with shaders, as I said previously, you need to find the folder labeled shader packs and copy the Bliss shaders zip file into that. One more thing, you need to head over to your installations and open the settings for your version of Fabric. Open more options and head over to JVM arguments. We're going to allocate more RAM to Minecraft, so make sure the beginning says at least -xmx4g. Alright, so that should be everything done. Now you just need to close everything and open Minecraft Fabric and create a new world straight away. Now that we have loaded into a new world, head over to options and you should see a new icon in the top left corner. Here you can configure distant horizons. The settings you see on screen are the ones I recommend, but that really depends on how powerful your PC is. If you have a weaker PC or just have usually lower frame rates, you need to decrease the render distance and distant horizons, or decrease your main render distance. Now if you want to play with shaders, just head over to video settings, shaders, and choose Bliss shaders. And that should basically be it. You're now ready to play what's essentially a much improved version of Minecraft. I especially recommend to download another mod called Terralive, as it will make the world generation a lot more interesting. If you have any questions or issues with this video, just write a quick comment and I will try to respond to you. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one.